po yung smart foreheads, printer head, cupping, head clean, nozzle test. Ito naman po yung ground wire at AVR. Ating tank, ating system. Waste tank. Ito naman po ang in-use supplies. Dito naman po ang stocks at unused sa ink at assembly rolls. Sa consumables, ang na-consume kong 1.55 roll ay 10. Isang Inktek cyan, isang magenta, yellow, at isang black. Naka 880 meters naman po kami na run last week. Ito naman po aking printer daily checklist.